really about this gun life, yeah, you know where I be at. Catch me at the gun range, you know I be there all day. People call me a hoarder cause I'm stacking up my gun safe. You never catch me lacking cause I go nowhere naked. If I could, I would, I walk around with the AK. Welcome to my life, stay tuned. This is Quay Way TV. What up with y'all boys, man? And girls, look, man, it's been a hot minute. I know I've been absent. I've been doing this, that, and the third. I'm gonna unbox this video with y'all. Well, this weapon here, and then I'm gonna go shoot. I'm gonna include that footage in it as well. And for the shooting, got some bird shot. What's this? Some 8-shot, you know, a little something. I got a box and a half. So I'm gonna give y'all that. Straight to the video, man. Let's get to it. Oh, I haven't took it out, but the box is open because obviously I ordered this from Atlantic Firearms. Had it on layaway, and I just got it today, so they had to open it up and look at it. Actually, I had 2 firearms. The other one came from my local gun shop. It was a American Ruger Predator, the Go Camo Edition, 6.5 Creedmoor. Bought the ammunition for it, everything. Got the gun off layaway. It was like 5 something. Didn't even shoot it. I just wasn't feeling it, man. I knew it only hold three bullets, but I still wanted it. I like the camo on it, but I took it back. I just really honestly wasn't feeling it, to be honest. So the next thing I do purchase is gonna be, I still want the Chris Vector. I still want my 43X. If I do come up on a Benelli M4, it's alright. I mean, I do want it, but it's alright. If I don't, whatever. It's just one of those whatever guns. And I want this FN 509. And then I want a 50 cal, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, that's it. Anyway, straight to the video, man. So, a lot of y'all may know what this is. SDS Imports, Lynx 12. So, you know, AK shotgun. Got the manual here. And then this came from my store. So I just got it from where I did the transfer from. So this is a little bit of nothing. You know, same old, ain't nothing new. And then we got straight to the gun, man. So throw this box out the way. Straight to the gun, man. First impressions when I did open up the outside, like your hand kind of feel greasy because you know they gotta wrap it up, put all that oil and stuff so it doesn't rust over time as it's sitting in storage and when it gets to you. So like I said, I did open the top, but I haven't pulled the weapon out yet. I promise I haven't pulled the weapon out yet. So I'm looking at it first time with y'all. But hold up, before that, 5-round mag, box mag. Like I said, it's real oily, so we just gonna be advised of that. 5-round mag though. Got a little weight to it. It is plastic, or I don't think it's polymer. It is plastic. The lips on it are steel. No, they're metal. These are metal lips on them. So, you know, it has to take that shotgun round. So it gotta be strong. Straight to it. Let's go. AK shotgun, SDS Firearms, 19-inch chrome lined barrel, AK selector, switch, safety switch. Oh, and it is nice. I wish my actual AK had this, so I can just move it like that. It's nice. What else? Got the Bulgarian side mount for the rail, your rail mount. For your optics and stuff like that, you know, I probably will put a red dot up here. eventually when I start pimping out my guns. I haven't pimped out any of them, to be honest with you. My KSG still don't have any sights on it. I mean, I don't get out enough to shoot it like I want to. Got the bolt hold and release switch on it. If I can show y'all, sorry it's a little dark in here. It's right here. So there we go. Release on it. Came with a flag, as you can see. What else we got? So if you don't know, like I said, this come from China. All right. They took up after the import for when Russia was banned. Russian firearms were banned for the Sega. So China stepped up to the plate, produced this. This takes up just as the Sega does. Takes all Sega style furniture. What's this? Supposed to be the AK-74 style stock or something. It can take Sega mags, Sega whatever, you name it. Threaded barrel. Four position gas system. Low, medium, and high. What else, man? I mean, pretty much it's AK shotgun, man. Let's take this flag out. Ooh, she was jammed up in there. So she is kind of greasy, but not really. The weight, it feels just like an AK, to be honest. Oh, tripping. So, man, I was gone, like I said, I was gone for a minute. But more so I was gone because work, and I had to catch up on some things, had to really start grinding out. The holidays coming up. Kay's birthday came, so we went on a 3-day trip. And I don't know if y'all love me, man. Like my content, yeah, I need more shooting videos, but I didn't know, like, y'all comment, y'all are liking, but the views and stuff, I didn't know if y'all was really appreciating me, man. So if y'all rock with me, man, let me know in the comments, man. And for that clip of my new drum I just got with the Red Army standard, y'all, the 75 drink, y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the comments too, man. I mean, if y'all rock me, let me know, man. So let me set this up so y'all can see. Box style mag. What's this? A hammer forged? Yeah. And you see this extra cutout right here? So look, just pay attention. Let me see if I can do it. Pay attention. Ooh, yeah, buddy. So you see how that moves? They had to compensate for that extra large shell casing being spit out. So they had to cut it a little wider than the usual AK. Give it a little more room. Like I said, it can be moved just like that. Hey, I ain't playing. Easy. Hard butt stock. Probably everything the same. Only thing the Sega didn't get, I like how they came with the pistol grip already versus having to convert it over. I don't know too much about the Segas because obviously I wasn't into weapons before I could get one, before they put the band on it. But you can change this out if you want to. You can unscrew it and everything and just shoot. Hold it like this if you want. However you please, you can take it off. 3-inch chamber, made in China. All that blase. Right, huh? Yeah, man, so like I said, and this is the 4-position gas tube. Just gotta stick a little something in there to press it so then you can turn it. I'll show y'all all that, maybe not, maybe, whatever. The sights on it. Little small ones. You can barely see it. Little small ones. Little baby small ones. So yeah, man, let's get into this shooting, and I'm gonna see y'all outside. All right, man. So I got the AK shotgun out here. 5-round box fed. SDS imports. Made after the Sega. So you got to do this bolt hold open. It's easier to put it in like that. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm hot, and for one, I just ran through a field and got those little sticky porcupine things in my feet and my legs. You ain't got to show. I ain't got no shoes and socks on. Hey, man. All right, so anyway, man, let's get it. I'm not really trying to break it in today. Even though it may need that. It may need it. But we're gonna see if we can do the best we can. You know, we're just shooting around, just trying to shoot around. Woo! Yes, sir. It ran flawlessly, like I said. Some 8-shot. That's just birdshot right there. Hey, ran flawlessly. I'm gonna put some more in here. We're gonna shoot it again. Ready? Mm-hmm. Hey, unfortunately, this is gonna be a short video. Under the circumstances that we are under right now, the conditions, I don't want to shoot here anymore. So it's gonna be the last clip, and then I'm gonna say my farewells until next time. So I'm gonna try to let it go off fast to see if it's gonna run. Ooh. I couldn't even hold still. I should have went like that, right? I should have tucked into it. It is what it is, man. Hey, bro, I told y'all. Y'all seen it. Lynx 12, run flawlessly. It's on the most open setting as far as gas. So there you have it. Get some more magazines for it. Like I said, I'm done shooting for the day. Quayway gang, bro. Hit me up on IG, like I said, at Quayway252. And my Snapchat, Quay_Jackson, is 2 A's, QUAA. And we out, bro. All right, man.